an infertility specialist at Aishwarya Fertility Center, Bangalore. Today I will be talking about management of infertility in PCOS. So the first basic step is lifestyle modification, where we counsel the patient about the lifestyle. How do we do that? First is diet control, which includes avoiding of fried foods, oily food and junks. So basically low carb diet and exercise. They can start off with a 30-minute of brisk walk for 3 days a week, which can ultimately be increased to 45 to 60 minutes for 5 to 6 days a week. Second, so most of the time we have seen that with basic lifestyle modification, the period regularizes in PCOS females and they conceive naturally. In the case where it fails, then we help the patient with the basic ovulation induction medicines followed by follicular scan. So when we do the follicular scan, we monitor the ovulation and we time the intercourse. So most of the females, they conceive through this step as well. In case where the lifestyle modification and the basic ovulation induction medicine is not helping, then we go for the last method, which is IVF. So here we see how to manage PCOS in infertility. We have various steps. First is lifestyle modification. Second is ovulation induction medicine to help in ovulation. That can be associated with timed intercourse, or if some male factor is there, we can go ahead with IUI also. If the above method fails, finally we can go for the IVF. So PCOS in infertility can be managed by the various methods. So the last step is IVF. So now here we come to a conclusion that the PCOS in infertility can be managed very well. First, lifestyle modification, where most of the females conceive. Second, we can time the intercourse or plan of IUI depending upon the male parameters after giving the basic ovulation induction medicine to the females. If the above two method fails, then in rare cases we have seen that we have to go for IVF.